In a quiet village surrounded by green hills and dusty roads lived a widow named Mira with her two sons, Arjun and Rohan. Arjun the elder was calm, obedient, and hardworking. From a young age, he took responsibility beyond his years. He helped his mother with chores, worked in the fields, and always put others before himself. Rohan, the younger one, was different. He was charming, playful, and often careless. He didn't like hard work, skipped responsibilities, and spent most of his time with friends. But he had one thing Arjun didn't. He was their mother's favorite. Mira loved Rohan deeply, blindly. She would excuse his mistakes, defend him even when he was wrong, and shower him with affection. Arjun, despite doing everything right, was often ignored, scolded, or compared unfavorably. "Why can't you be like your brother?" Mira would say, even though Arjun was the one holding the family together. Those words slowly broke something inside him. Years passed. Arjun sacrificed his education so Rohan could study in the city. He worked day and night, sending money home. Mira proudly told everyone about Rohan's achievements, never once mentioning Arjun's struggles. Rohan, however, changed after moving away. Surrounded by a new world, he became distant. The money Arjun sent was often wasted by Rohan on luxuries and parties. Still, Mira believed every lie Rohan told her. "Ma, I need more money for my studies," he would say. And Arjun would silently work harder. One day, Arjun fell sick. The long hours, poor nutrition, and endless stress had taken their toll. Yet, he didn't tell his mother. He didn't want to burden her. Instead, he sent his last savings to Rohan. Meanwhile, Rohan returned home, not for his family, but because he had run out of money. His charm faded when reality hit. Debts followed him, and so did trouble. Even then, Mira welcomed him with open arms. "My son, you must be tired," she said, hugging him tightly. Arjun watched from the corner, unnoticed. That night, Arjun's condition worsened. He lay quietly on his bed, coughing, struggling to breathe. He called out softly, "Ma!" But Mira was busy preparing Rohan's favorite meal. Hours later, when she finally checked on Arjun, it was too late. He was gone. On his bedside table lay an old envelope. Inside were receipts of money transfers, medical reports he never shared, and a letter. With trembling hands, Mira opened it. "Ma, I hope one day you'll understand that I never wanted your praise, only your love. Take care of Rohan. He needs you more than I do. Your son, Arjun." The letter slipped from her hands as she collapsed beside his lifeless body. For the first time, she saw the truth. The son she ignored had given her everything. The son she loved had taken everything. Days turned into months. Rohan, unable to face responsibility, left again, this time for good. Mira was left alone in the silent house, haunted by memories of the son she never truly saw. Every evening, she would sit by Arjun's empty bed whispering, "Forgive me." But the silence never answered back. And in that silence, she finally understood the weight of a mother's mistake, a love given blindly, and a love lost forever.